Alright! Check this out. I saw this at the store the other day. Black Plague Tony Hawk Birdhouse IPA. I honestly saw the Birdhouse thing and I was like, what? And then I saw Tony Hawk and I'm like, anyway, let's get to today's Totally Tubular Tool Time Tuesday. And that is a Milwaukee product that I don't even know what it is. These guys over at Milwaukee Tool sent me a package. I honestly don't remember what I talked to them about on this one. It's been a minute since I've seen any of their new products coming out, so it may have been something I talked about a long time ago. By the way, if you guys are wondering, the Birdhouse IPA is pretty good. Wow. These guys made their own box. Oh, all right. Okay. I couldn't remember what I asked for. And now I remember. I do remember them coming out with this. Look at that. That is pretty sick. It's a Milwaukee Packout First Aid Kit. I guess this is the 4873-8430. If you are a construction guy working on the job site, honestly, if you're just a Packout guy or a Milwaukee guy, this thing is pretty freaking sick. 204 supplies for first aid. Oh yeah. We'll rip on into this. Check it out. I kind of forgot that this, I know they emailed me about this and I was like, yeah, I'd like to review that. That's pretty cool. I don't see why not. So what do most guys do on a construction site? Well, when they get a cut on their hand, you grab this, right? This is called electrical tape. And you grab some of this, like a paper towel, right? So we just grab a paper towel, some electrical tape, wrap it around our finger, and there you go. It's a Band-Aid. Well, it's probably not the best thing in the world, so Milwaukee made this bad boy. Let's see what we got. Oh, also, check it. I absolutely love this. I know I've talked about it before. Right here, this is the little Milwaukee Fastback. This thing absolutely rocks. Got a blade, got a cutter right here. They call this a stripper. I would never strip wire with this unless you're like an absolute loser and you don't know how to use the proper tool for the job, but whatever. There's extra blade storage right here. This thing just pulls back and you pull out the other blade. Check this out. It's got a bottle opener right here, which is amazing. It flicks out just like a Benchmade knife. Really, it's pretty similar to the Axis lock. Obviously, you don't pull back like an Axis lock, but the fact that you can just push the button, it's not spring loaded, but it's just easy to release, fling back, forth, all that. It's pretty awesome. This hits the cake right here. You got the Phillips, you got the flathead, and you got the 1/4-inch driver, and this locks up. Yeah, it has a liner lock on it, and boom, that thing is absolutely awesome. It's my go-to work knife. But anyways, let's open the first aid kit, because I know that's why you guys are here, right? It's pretty cool, because they put this little logo in the corner, little sticker, which I highly recommend on Packout stuff, you know, labeling your stuff. That's really cool. Obviously, you could make this yourself, right? There's no need to buy the Milwaukee branded one. However, it makes it pretty nice. We got some scissors. Yes, they are China made. We're gonna keep those in there, sanitized. Interestingly enough, they gave me some screws and they gave me 2 wall anchors. And you would say, why did they do that? Well, probably to mount the thing in the wall, on the wall in the shop. We got some tape, taping some stuff up. What is this? This is some wrap, that like sticky wrap stuff, so you can wrap up something. We got a bunch of antibiotic, triple antibiotic cream here. We got this one, burn cream, first aid cream right there. We got some cold packs, instant cold packs. We got Band-Aids, a bunch of those. Look at all the Band-Aids here. We got a splint, right? So we can wrap up our arm, wrist, upper arm splint, bend, shape, and fit. Eye wash. This is huge. Wear your safety glasses, wear your face shield, but if you get crap in your eye, boom, there you go. This is something that most people don't put in their first aid kit, and you really should, because it's kind of one of those things. Conforming roll of gauze, some more gauze, bigger gauze, smaller gauze. I'm telling you, this is nice because you don't have to think about it, right? It's just all right there. BZK antiseptic towelettes here. Clean our wounds, which we all get. We got even more of those right here in this little pocket area. Looks like we got some triangular bandages. We got 2 of those right here. That is awesome. Put those in here. Now we got this. We got some Nerdle gloves, or maybe these are latex, but they're probably Nerdle. They feel nitrile. I call them Nerdle. I don't know. I know that's totally wrong. What is it? Nitrile gloves, whatever. I like the word Nerdle. I made it up. and that's what I'm going with. I don't really care. Burn dressing, emergency first aid for burns. That'll feel nice. Trauma pads, those are cool. Oh, we got like a little, honestly, okay. Okay, I was like, what is this? And now I understand. That looks like, what? A freaking mount for it with 2 spots right here for the screws and those wall anchors, right? So that we can mount this on the wall. That's really cool. It's the first time I've seen Milwaukee do something like that. So yeah, that pretty much rounds it out. They got the little Milwaukee Packout tool system with all this stuff. Now, you might be saying to yourself, well, geez, you're showing me the Packout system. And man, it doesn't even look like you have Packout stuff. You're literally just smashing that and putting it on top of a regular toolbox. Also in the middle here, there is open room so you can add whatever. Obviously you can add more to this first aid kit, but it is definitely a tool that you'll be using when you're in the shop. So I think it's pretty cool. I'll use it in my Packout system. I'm curious, I think, I can't 100% remember, but I think they made a smaller one, which would be kind of neat, right? If we want a more compact and smaller version of this, obviously you can make your own as well. It's a cool idea, but you know, you can even do them with like Kaizen foam, right? Where you pull something out and ooh, looks so pretty. So coming up soon, Kaizen foam build out on the Milwaukee Packout. So make sure to subscribe, guys. We will talk to you soon later, and ciao.